Welcome everyone, it's Enrico Janko, Team Alliance. And we're just going over today's trading. Just looking at the market today, seeing what we got at 11:20 a.m. on a Monday. Coming in on the afternoon almost. At the 1 minute right now, saw there was a decline and then a rally. Now this decline comes back. These declines have been stepping down kind of lightly right there. I like to see them cross a little bit more on these bands. But right here, we got this decline in our little rally right here. So let's look at what Nadex is giving us on prices. Where are we at? We're at 29.22. Look like we just got a possible down signal on 29.22. 29.23 is what they're giving us. So I wouldn't take that. That's for $25, $29.17. Because we're still in the, we don't know what's going on right here actually. If you look at this, we can believe that it's going down. We got our first down signal. I will wait for a confirmation. Then everything under that, I probably could take a shot at. What's that? 29.22. Let's see. See, on right here on Native, you gotta look at this. See, 29.23. They wanted. If you want to go, say it's going to be lower than 29.23, which we're making that assumption, we could take that $36 right there possibly. I would not take it because it's just too close. Just too close. It's already made this little move right here down to 21.5. This is just too close. When natives give prices like this, you shouldn't probably even be in the market because you really want 29.27 and you'd rather take the under on that. You rather the put, right? You would like to take that, but they're not going to give you those prices. Not now. I guess not today. They give you the 23. Like I said, anything they give you 23. Anything that's close to the prices, that 1 pip, you could get that and you could fight for that, and we can make some relatively good decisions, I guess, on that. Being that we have the time on our factor maybe on our side a little bit. What happens is whenever prices start running up against these support and resistance, we gain a little time. You see right now we're going up, and we're going to run into a lot of little resistance, most likely. Another one, this is at 23.2. We probably run into a little resistance at 23.9. So anything over 24, we could probably be happy with. Just like this 29.27, we could say we want to go under that, right? But we don't have a price there. We only could go over that. That 29.23 has been hit. Like I said, that's a tough price to even deal with. I wouldn't even want to go in the market there. Let's see what that market was looking like. See, we're in a current little uptrend, and this is not even really an uptrend. This is just upticks, really. I would consider those because they're not really moving the market at that much, right? Not really moving the market that much. Maybe 1.5, maybe 2 pips, which is not enough insurance for us to go in and make a trade that we would actually be happy with. Because we don't want to get into trades that's going to make us shudder while we're in the trade. We don't want to be shook while we're in the trade. And here's that 23. See, it looks like it is going to close below that 23. So if you was aggressive, you could have got that. And look at that. See how that 23 actually came close to it. See, that's very dangerous because if you 1 tick, see, look at that. That 1 tick right there would have got you. Would have got you on the 23. That's why I don't play with anything that close. Now it's shooting back down. So if you got in there early, you was good. That's the funny thing about these markets. You can be close, but close is no cigar. We get a little turnaround here, and it looks like it's going to be in this little funny little range here, 21.5, 23.5. You know, a 2-pip range. 2-pip range. You don't want to try to make any money in Nadex with that, right? Unless you're being ultra aggressive, and they give you a price to be ultra aggressive. Because none of these prices give you anything to me. You might maybe 19, which is giving you $5.75. So they'll give you $5.75 for a price that's only less than 3 pips away, right? Less than 3 pips away, and they only offer you $3 or $4 on that. So you can stand to lose $96 on a trade that close, right? This is kind of like, I don't know, I call it robbery if you even tried it. I mean, you can be aggressive if that's what you like to be. Some people like to play it aggressive like that. I rather don't. I like to have insurance on my trades. That way, when I get in the trade, I know that I'm not that afraid. Even if it goes against me, you know, I got a shot. All right, we just got a down tick right here. Market looks like it's for the immediate short term. It looks like it might be down. Like, I would wait for another confirmation. Like, there's 2 seconds left in this right here. It seems like there's 2 seconds left. Look like okay. Oh, I believe there was 2 seconds left. I would wait for my next paint to drop right here, which means I would wait for the next tick to come so I can see what this candle is going to look like. So I wanted to paint the next candle so I can find out what it looks like. All right, this is on our 5 minute also. You see, we shooting down on that 5 minute. Okay, 29. What prices they give us? If you want to go on it for 20, man, they don't want to give you any prices here. So this is not the time to be really, I guess, trading my particular strategy anyway. Look at that. See, this is up and down stuff right here. Up and down, up, down, couple of ups, down, and it's not even really moving. We might get some movement when. Let me see when we might get some movement. This is maybe at 25. Maybe at 25 we get some movement. That's what it looks like it should go up to, at least to 20. Yep, there goes our 25 right there, right? Or 24.5. If it gets to that, it got to that, maybe it'll make it up to 25.5, maybe, right? Maybe 25.5. What's on Nadex? Let's see if they give us something that we can work with. I doubt it. Late in the time period like this, if you want to go above 29, 23, let's see, they're offering you $1 to do so, right? $1. So this it's nothing to trade here, nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see here. There we go. We got that little movement we was talking about. Actually shot up more than 25.5, right? Then here we go, running back down a little bit. See, and this is what you kind of get used to. You got to get the screen time on. Watching this price action, how when it got up to 25 or 26, you kind of knew that it was going to be a little struggle. So those times of struggle and pause in the support and resistance, that's what usually gives you enough time to make your money on Nadex. You see, that's what a lot of times will make it possible. But when price stalls out at a certain price level, then your time is moving, and then you can make yourself some money. But with Nadex, it's very important. You have to be right about 9 out of 10 times to make yourself some money from what I'm seeing from with this particular strategy. There's other strategies that might be different, but the most popular, I think, strategies, because everyone likes to win. They like to go for high win rates. So if you're going for a high win rate on Nadex, you need about a 90% win rate. All right, not easy stuff. Not easy. Not easy. Not easy. Not easy. I might be talking about it like it's very simple, but it's not easy. 29.21 would be the only thing I would want over here, and that's about $12 maybe, right? What we doing? And it's $12, and we got this candle. Look like it might be coming down, turning around on us a little bit, right? From that candle, let me see. Yeah, the immediate shows us that drop. See, it turned around on us. Now I wouldn't get in there yet. Let me see what we got here. What was I looking at? That 29.21, right? Yeah, 29.21. I think we might can make. We buy 29.21. We might can make it, maybe. But that's dangerous. That's dangerous because look at all the downward pressure we've been getting, right? That's dangerous. Let's see where it stops if it does decide to jet down on us right here, which it is. It should stop at 22, right? We should get stoppage at like maybe 22, right? Maybe 21.6. So you're probably good over 21. Over 21 for this, whatever. This is only 7 and change now. So probably good for right there. Just wait, see what happens. Still looking for over 21. 2 minutes left. Two minutes left, and you see our price still going around 22.8, and we're in a dangerous position because right now it could drop right down. But we look like we got some support at 22.8 and at 22.6. So we look like your 21 should be fine. Your 21 should be fine. So you're in there, and right now you can still go in there and get 21, right? $6, $5.50, $8, right? And look at that, made a nice little run up on us on that one a little bit. Oh, we got a little price action movement. So hopefully we can get out this trade in time, because now price is really starting to drill down a little bit on it. But we got some stops in the middle that could help us out, right? At 22.5, I would suspect this would give us a little bit more time also. And 22.3 all the way down to 21.5. So we got plenty. I think we got time. Got a minute and change left. We're approximately 2 pips over our strike. 53 seconds. So we took that 23. I mean that 21 at that 21 strike price. Been pretty good for the day. But like I said, that's for the aggressive. That's for aggressive. You don't necessarily have to be that aggressive. All right, and you see our 23. We escaped with that pretty good, right? Even with some assurance. So that's the way that would have worked out for us. Not too bad at all. Let me look at it on other charts. Yeah, see all that action right there, all that. It couldn't get past any of that in time. All right, another great trade. I like that trade right there. You know, for the time period anyway. It's not the best trade, but for the time period, it would have worked out for you, made yourself some money.